Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to find solutions to quadratic equations who have complex roots, or we can say whose discriminant is negative, that is less than 0. We know that a quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are known values and a cannot be equal to 0. X is an unknown variable which is yet to be determined. Now the solutions of this quadratic equation are given by minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Now if b square minus 4ac is positive, we get two real solutions. But when it is 0, then we have one real solution. Or we can say the quadratic equation has same roots. When it is negative, we get a pair of complex solutions. Okay, now we will find solutions to some quadratic equations. But before that, let us have a look on this. Now, if we have square root of minus 2, we can write it as square root of minus 1 into square root of 2. We know that square root of minus 1 is equal to iota, so we can write it as iota into square root of 2. Now let's take a quadratic equation and find its solutions. Here we have quadratic equation x square plus 3 equal to 0. To find its solutions, we can write it as x square is equal to minus 3, or x is equal to square root of plus minus square root of minus 3, or we can write it as x is equal to plus minus iota root 3. So the two complex roots of this quadratic equation are, one is plus iota root 3 and the second is minus iota root 3. That completes the question. Now our next quadratic equation is, here we have quadratic equation 2x square plus x plus 1. In this case, we have a is equal to 2, a is that is coefficient of x square, which is equal to 2, b that is coefficient of x, that is equal to 1, and constant term c, that is also equal to 1. Okay, now first we will find discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, which is equal to b square is 1 square minus 4, a is 2, and c is 1. That is further equal to 1 square is 1 minus 4 into 2 into 1, that is 8, which is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Okay, now we know that solutions of this quadratic equation are given by x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we can write x is equal to minus b is equal to 1, so instead of b we can write 1, then it is plus minus square root of, instead of b square minus 4ac we can write minus 7 divided by 2. Instead of a we can write 2, which is further equal to minus 1 plus minus, it is square root of minus 7, so we can write it as iota square root of 7. Okay, then we have in denominator we have 2 into 2, that's 4. Thus the two roots, complex roots of this quadratic equation are -1 plus iota root 7 divided by 4, and the second root is -1 minus iota square root of 7 divided by 4. So this completes the question. Now let's take one more quadratic equation. Here we have quadratic equation x square plus x by square root of 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we multiply this equation by square root of 2 on both sides. So we get square root of 2 into x square plus x plus square root of 2 equal to 0. Now in this quadratic equation, a is equal to square root of 2, that is coefficient of x square. B is equal to 1, that is coefficient of x, and c is equal to square root of 2, that is constant term. Okay, now we will find discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, that is equal to, now b is equal to 1, so we have 1 square minus 4 times a is square root of 2, and c is also square root of 2, that is equal to 1 square is 1 minus 4, square root of 2 into square root of 2 is equal to square root of 2 square, that is equal to 2. Or we can write it as 1 minus 4 into 2 is 8, that is equal to minus 7. Okay, now solutions of the quadratic equation, this can be written as x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is further equal to, it is minus b, when instead of b we have 1, so we can write here minus 1 plus minus square root of, instead of b square minus 4ac we have minus 7, so we can write here minus 7 divided by 2, instead of a we have square root of 2. Okay, that is further equal to, it is minus 1 plus minus, now it is square root of minus 7, so instead of that we can write iota square root of 7 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, thus the two complex roots of this quadratic equation are minus 1 plus iota root 7 divided by 2 into square root of 2, and the second root is minus 1 minus iota square root of 7 divided by 2 into square root of 2. So that completes the question. Now in my next lecture we will discuss some new topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.